you have to minus it by 1. Plus 1.
Plus 1.
Yes, go ahead.
Equals 129.
So 129.
So it'd be
Is it 129 times 30?
Yeah, because the number has to be greater.
Can it? No, it can't be because 9 plus 9 is 18. So it wouldn't equal to 60.
Yeah, we have to find a number that one number is greater than the other number.
Start writing some stuff down.
Think back to your problem-solving strategies. How do you approach a problem? The first thing we need to do is what?
Okay, so what are we writing?
Understand the problem.
so you have to come here first,
I've
miss.
underlined a couple of key
Yes.
words. Wrap your brain around it.
Write her name.
Write your name, write your name.
Asking.
That's something.
Then come up with an approach.
Is that good, miss? I wrote my name.
Wow, you even wrote your game wrong.
Here's some. Just don't pretend I'm not here.
So basically, you have to do b plus 1 times a. They both have to be greater than 1. Then how do you times it? But they're both positive. I know. I don't care.
He's still filming us.
This is language. Okay, look, this is a language. Math. A could be 2. A could be 2. B could be 150. 100 and or 100 and okay. Cross.
It's just trial and error. You have to do all.
But it's hard to get because if you times it by 2, multiply it by 2, then how could you get 1? It has to be. The ball's getting flatter and flatter. There's a hole. Oh, look at the
So what did you guys figure out?
Nothing.
Do you understand the problem?
Yes. Maybe.
Are you pulling your information?
Not really.
You know what to do, but we don't know what to do.
Miss. Sorry.
Nice hat.
So that's equal to 260.
Okay, what's given? Write what's given.
I underlined it.
That both the numbers are greater than 1, both are positive,
We're trying to.
and then you have to do b plus 1, then times it by a. That's all we know. Got a lot of ways.
Okay, good. There should be more than one. Tell me about one of them.
We're gonna. So this is what we already did so far.
So we divided 260 by 2, and it equaled an even number without a decimal. So we got 2. So we solved one part of the problem, and as A is equal to 2, and B is 129, and then you add 1, which is 130. So 2 times 130 is 260.
Okay, are there other possible solutions?
Yes.
Okay, should we try any more?
Yeah, we have to divide 260 by other numbers and see what we get.
Okay, go ahead.
That's our
Okay.
strategy. The strategy was that we divided 260 by
Okay, try another one. See if another one works.
numbers.
After we should do factoring. That I know how to do. I need your iPod. Alright.
Yeah, we need the calculators. Okay, let's try another one.
Mr. Bond.
Oh no, we already wrote our strategy. Oh yeah.
You said how many possible. Yeah, but we can also do.
Yeah, but we have to do another way, like this. So we have to do 260 divided by, say, let's see, 4. If it equals an even number, 260 divided by 4 is 65. So we can do 65 times 4. Oh, 64.
Yeah, you can do 160 divided by 2. Okay, do right now do 2. Oh yeah, okay, sorry. We gotta unite
Well, no. We're not doing that.
See, that's what
3. Let's see what happens with 3. 260 divided by 3.
he said to do
It
another.
has a decimal, so it can't work. 260 divided by 4 is 65. So 4, 65. So now we have to carry out that problem here. Which is, right? What do you
Okay, so see if it works out with the equation.
That's how we taught.
So, we can A is 4 because it's less the greater and
Right.
less. 4 times, what's 64 minus 1? Oh wait, 65 minus 4. Sorry. 64. Oh, it doesn't have to have a bracket. So, 64 plus 1 equals 260 equals 4 times 65. Now let's carry this out.
So that's 2 possible. Are there any more? Any more solutions?
So then we could use those numbers to create possible answers that fills in the requirements for letter A and letter B and have the sum of 260.
And our solutions.
The first solution we got was 10 times 25 plus 1, which is 26, equals 260. The second solution is 13 times 19 plus 1, which is 20, and we got 260. 1 times 25, what? 1 times 259 plus 1 equals 260 again. 2 times 129 plus 1 equals 260. 4 times 64 plus 1, which is 65, equals 260. And 5 plus 51 plus 1, which is 52, equals 260.
Talk about what math knowledge you use that you knew of in order to solve this. Share that with them.
That's something to say now.
What previous knowledge did you guys use to solve this? That's it?
That's it.
Okay. Back to rainbows. How about the order of operations?
Adding.
All right. Okay.
And we thought that this problem was challenging but fun at the same time. So our strategy was that we divided 260 by any numbers that we thought, and to get a multiplication fact. And then we also wrote down our guess and check division in a factor rainbow. Our results were.
Our results were, one of them is we did 4 times 64 plus 1 is 260. And we also used a factor rainbow to get some of the results. And after we write them down in the sentence that you gave, we also did 5 times 52 plus 1. Oh, sorry, 5 times 51 plus 1 equals 260.
Which would equal to 260. But to figure what B or A meant, we also understood that we had to find out the missing numbers.
What was your strategy you used? What was the strategy your group used?
Oh, we used rainbow factors and like math.
Okay.
So we figured out that we did A times 64 plus 1, and then so A times 65, and then after that it was 4 times 65, which we got our answer of 260. Yeah. Okay, so to find numbers. There's all the factors of the number. You can make a bit of errors because since understand that numbers from the factors from one of the factors of 260 to
So I'm just going to reiterate that because Trisha was not very loud. But what she said was they had to go through a process of trial and error.
Absolutely,
And,
yeah.
and to arrive at the right combination and in order to look for a number that represented variable A and variable B. And that is why there's a bit of, the sheet is a little messed up, that's all.
That's okay. I think both schools actually followed that approach, that trial and error approach, and also followed the factor rainbow approach using their knowledge from previous grades of Chapter 1 Math there in the Nelson. So I think everyone was
great.
very successful, and both schools did a great job working first and foremost